To download a Google document as a PDF is actually very simple to do. Here I have a Google document. This is my test document. And I'm going to save this as a PDF file, which means I'm going to download it as a PDF file. To do this, I'm going to go over to File, and I'm going to go down to where it says Download. And this gives me options of how I want this downloaded. I could download it as a Microsoft Word file. I could even download this as plain text, but here I'm going to select PDF document, and this will download this file as a PDF. So you select where you want to save it and the file name, click Save, and down here it downloads your document as a PDF. To view it, you could select Open, and your PDF file is ready to be shared, downloaded, printed, but it is now saved as a PDF.